On behalf of my colleagues and all of us who are here, we would want to send our deepest condolences to the families of those who lost their lives in this accident. 11 of the persons who are in the plane all perished in the accident. And as for the details of those who are in the plane, I think also it will be appropriate once all the information that is of the persons who are in the plane has been adequately collected and confirmed, then is released. But for now, we can only talk of numbers that there were 11 persons in the equipment in the plane, and we have lost all the 11.
Tulipofika pale tukaona ni moto tu unawaka, tukajaribu kuzunguka sehemu zote, tumepata wenzetu nyama zao ziko juu ya miti. Kilichotokea paka ikalipua ndege siwezi hadithi tena, lakini tumepata vitu vidogo vidogo kama pasipoti 2 na vitambulisho. Ni imani yangu kwamba wale wahusika watapata way forward, ni wakina nani na wanatoka wapi.